everyone and welcome to our channel, the Canadian chapter. I know for last few weeks we haven't posted any video, but here we are back. So far we have covered a lot about life in Canada. In our series we have covered cost of living to immigration, everything. Our previous videos talked about immigration and what to do at the airport once you land in Canada. Today, we are going to build on this and cover the next 48 hours, which are very crucial. It's definitely gonna be busy, but if you plan it right, you'll set yourself up for success in your new life in Canada. Let's walk through everything you need to do step by step. First of all, you need to open a bank account and get a credit card. Your first stop should be a bank. In Canada, the top 5 banks are TD, Scotia Bank, CIBC, BMO and RBC. You can go to any of these banks. Most of them have a newcomer packages where there will be no monthly fees for a specific time period, let's say 1 year or 2 years. They'll also help you start your credit journey. When you apply for your first credit card, start with a no annual fee card. It's easy to manage and perfect to build your credit history without any extra cost. Now, you need to pay all bills on time to build credit history and maintain it. And in a few months, you will see your credit score grow up and up. It is an important factor for renting homes, getting loans, and even some jobs. Now, next step you need to do is book a G1 driving test. If you're planning to drive in Canada, you need to start the licensing process early. You can book your G1 drive test through drivetest.ca. That's the official site. Remember, in Ontario, it takes at least 1 year to move from G1 to G2 license. So the sooner you start, the better it is. The G1 test is a basic written test. You can study for the G1 test using MTO Driver's Handbook, available online or at major bookstores. In Ontario specifically, your G1 driving license serves as a photo ID for your future. So it's not only helpful for your driving license, but it serves as a Canadian official ID. You can refer for more details to our video titled Your Ultimate Canada Landing Checklist for more details on that. Okay? If not already done at the airport, you must apply for the SIN number. Head over to the nearest Service Canada, the official Canadian agency, and it's a one-stop shop for all your Canadian documents when you land and for your all future purposes. PR holders, work permit holders and study permit holders, they all need SIN number. This is similar to social security number in US and PAN number in India, and is a unique identification number for each individual. Please be mindful that this is a confidential information and should not be shared with anyone. You can refer to our video in the description above to look at what documents can be completed at the airport itself to save yourself some time and hassle. If you are a permanent resident moving to Ontario, you should register for OHIP right away at the Service Ontario Centre. Once again, this is a provincial agency. Bring your passport, PR card, confirmation of PR, and proof of address. OHIP covers essential healthcare services, but remember, it does not cover dental and prescription. So consider private insurance during your first days in case of delays in getting your health card. If you have school-aged kids, you'll need to register them quickly so that they can start as soon as possible. Public schools are free but based on catchment area, meaning your address decides which school your child can go to. generally, your neighborhood school is the one where you have to send the kid to. You can find your catchment school by checking your local school board's website. For example, TDSB for people living in Toronto or Peel District, and WDSB for people living in Waterloo. Canada has a fantastic newcomer support program. Visit organizations like YMCA, COSTI, or settlement agencies in your area. They offer free workshops, language training, job search help, and even networking events. These places can be life-changing for making connections and finding guidance in your early days. If you are in Greater Toronto area, buy a PRESTO card for buses, streetcars, and trains. If you are in any other city, check for their local transit pass. For example, Go Transit card is available in Waterloo and Kitchener, Compass card in Vancouver, and Opus card in Montreal. If you're traveling with children, Canadian law requires the use of age and size appropriate car seats or booster seats. Don't risk fines, but buy one immediately if you'll be using a car or taxi. Please refer to our previous videos for more details on this. Even with OHIP, you need a family doctor to get referrals for specialists and consistent care. You can search using Healthcare Connect or through community recommendations your nearby physicians. It's better to register early with nearby family doctors because there is a long wait. So if you haven't got a SIM card before you fly or at the airport, you do need a Canadian phone number for banks, employees, and services, so apply it now. Update your address everywhere important, your immigration, banks, and on any government records. Don't forget to buy weather-appropriate clothing and groceries and basic household items. Learn your neighborhood. Locate the nearest grocery store, pharmacy, and hospital. Your first 48 hours in Canada will fly by, but each of these steps will make your settlement smoother. Start strong and you'll thank yourself later. That is all for today. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Bye.